Lovable tutorial for beginners. If you have ever tried building websites or digital tools, you probably noticed how overwhelming it can feel for you to juggle different services, code hosting, and even integrations. Now, that is where Lovable is going to step in. Lovable is a platform that is designed to take the complexity out of creating modern web applications. What makes it stand out is how much of the heavy lifting it handles for you. It's going to combine AI assisted development, hosting, and deployment into a single environment so that even beginners can start building real apps without needing years of coding experience. So, in this tutorial, we're going to be going through everything you need to know as a beginner when it comes to working with Lovable. So, to begin, you need an account with Lovable. So, go over to lovable.dev in your browser. On the homepage, you're going to see a very nice interface and an option to sign up. So, we're simply going to go ahead and click on Get Started. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google. You can choose to continue with GitHub or even your email password. I'm simply going to go with this. And from here, you can go ahead and pretty much use any of your Google accounts to sign in. It's the simplest sign in when it comes to creating an account. So this is what I usually prefer for myself. So once you go ahead with continue with Google, sign in with your account, and let me show you what's going to happen from here. Now, once you get started with an account of yours, as you can see, I am logged in now right over here with my account. I have 5 credits left, which are basically the free daily credits you get. Okay. And as we scroll down, you can create new workspaces for different work. You can choose the appearance of your Lovable as well. And here you have a sort of an inbox where you get daily messages of new things and stuff you can do on Lovable personally. Now, on the homepage, you're going to be seeing a big prompt, okay? Now, it's a very beginner-friendly interface, and the center of your dashboard, you're going to find the options to create new projects and other things. So as you can see here are going to be template projects that you can actually go ahead with, but you can simply start creating a prompt over here as well. Now, this is where the platform shines. Instead of requiring you to code everything, Lovable uses AI prompts to help generate the foundation of your project. For example, if you want a simple blog, you can type in personal blog with categories and comments section, and Lovable will generate the structure. If you want a more advanced idea like e-commerce shop with product listings and a checkout page, the system will scaffold that as well. So let's actually go ahead and create an e-commerce page for ourselves, shall we? So you're going to come here, paste that, and you can basically add in details as well. So let's say I'm gonna call it dark. Let's go with gothic, rustic, minimalistic, and let's go with animated. So once you have added these things, you can also choose what organization you want to add it into. You can also choose images as a reference to know what it's working with. But once you have added that, Lovable will go ahead and start creating your website. And obviously, it is going to take a few seconds for this basic project to create, but once the project is created, Lovable gives you an editor where you can customize everything. Now, as you can see, Lovable will go ahead and it will first of all tell you the features for this version. So we get a homepage with featured products, product catalog with filtering, individual product pages, shopping cart functionality, checkout page, responsive Gothic design. Now, the design elements are deep charcoal black backgrounds with subtle texture, warm amber copper accents, Gothic serif typography, minimalist layouts with generous spacing, smooth hover animations and transitions, and rustic user interface elements. Now, it's going to go ahead and implement the whole design into code, and the code can be seen over here. You can basically go ahead and open up the live editor and you can actually see all the stuff that it's going to go ahead and write into your code. So this is your whole website code, by the way. This is the placeholder, the robots that it uses, then there's the hooks and everything. So these are your files, basically. This is your main code. And obviously, once the code actually goes on and writes itself properly, what you can do from there on out is simply go ahead and get a pretty good idea of it. And as you can see, it's edited the CSS. It's went ahead and configuration is done. Now it says it'll create the enhanced button component with Gothic variants, generate some product images, and build a core components. So as you can see, it goes on and on. And obviously, when it comes to the editor is a mix of low code and AI assisted tools. Beginners will notice that there is no need to start typing lines of code blindly. Instead, you can rely on the AI assistant to modify parts of your project. So, for instance, if your code is finished, you can change the theme to color blue if you want, or even add a search bar at the top. So basically, small modifications can be done as well if you just ask Lovable. And you can simply click on this edit option over here and simply make that edit. And Lovable is going to go ahead and do it for you. This balances making Lovable a great learning environment because you can watch how code connects to design and functionality without being left in the dark. Now, let's also talk about databases because almost every web project needs a way to store their information. All right. Now, Lovable integrates with modern backend services. So, as you can see over here in the code line, you're going to be able to see that it has actual database components right down here. And these database components are storing all of your line of code, all of your media, and a lot more. Okay. And this type of deployment is really fun. Through the platform, you can connect a database with just a few clicks. And for beginners, Lovable suggests default database setups that are already going to be optimized, so you do not have to configure tables and permissions manually. Now, as you gain experience, you can customize these databases to handle more advanced use cases as well. And also, talking about one of the strongest features in Lovable is the deployment. So, as you can see, most of my website is already done. And obviously, when it's done, it is going to spin up the preview. But once it's all done, you can actually go ahead and publish your project. And as you can see, before publishing, you can go ahead and check the preview as well. Now, obviously, the website is in creation right now. It's while it's editing, so you do need to wait for it. And as you can see, here's going to be the name of the project with the proper URL. Obviously, the URL is going to be the Lovable app URL, but to change it, you can simply go over to custom domains. And right here, you can either connect your very own domain or buy a new domain directly from Lovable if you want to. But what if you want to go beyond a simple site? Let's say you are experimenting with a business idea and want to create an online store. You can start a new project. So let's say while this project is in the works, what you can do is you can basically open up a new section if you want to. Okay. And by doing all of that, you're basically going ahead and getting a much simpler work out of it. Now, also, by the way, over here, you can see our website is pretty much done. Okay. And if we go over to publish and preview the page, it's going to open up the main preview for you. And once it loads up, as you can see, this is how it looks. And that looks absolutely incredible. Great fonts, great styling, exactly what I wanted. And as you can see, the text and everything is edited as well. So just like this, you can go ahead and create a website for yourself for scalability and much more. So to wrap this up, if you are a beginner in 2025 looking to create apps or websites without diving straight into complex coding, Lovable is one of the most approachable platforms. It gives you an AI-powered assistant, simple deployment, database integration, and live hosting without the extra costs at the start. You can build a portfolio, blog, online shop, or even experimental apps in the matter of minutes. And as you get more comfortable, you can explore the code side by side with the AI adjustments, learning while building. The real value of Lovable is that it lets beginners create something real without frustration, and while also leaving room for growth as it goes on. So basically, that's the great and amazing thing about Lovable. And if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.